Let's get closer. Get closer. There we go.
We're zooming.
No, just fine. Okay, ready? Three. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hey everyone, my name is PANGILINAN and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am a San Diego-based photographer, vlogger, dance artist, and etc. And today I have two awesome people with me today for a clothing brand promo photo shoot today.
Hey guys, my name's Jazzy. You can follow me at @JazzyCrosby, JAZZYCROSBY. Guys, my name is D. Today we're going to be shooting our promo video for my clothing line, Child of God. Adrian's going to be my photographer. Jazzy's going to be my model. I'm really excited to work with these people. First time. It's going to be the last time also. No, I'm just joking.
I feel like the goal is create shapes without, ruining the
Yeah.
shape of the thing. So maybe something instead of this.
Pull up the jacket more though. I don't want it to like, there you go, yeah.
This is my first time too shooting with like the person who directly designed. I'm like,
That's okay. Sorry if I do cut in a lot,
No,
because I'm
you're
going to
good.
direct them a lot.
hello, you have reached the voicemail of PANGILINAN.
Okay. Try to show the product. Ew, don't bite me.
I know. I got myself. I was like,
That was good though, the last thing. Yeah.
Show the product.
There you go, nice. Nice. More time, more happy. More joy. And that's happy.
You get more of the flowers than the wall. That brick wall. There you go.
So you're gonna stand straight. Close your eyes. Inhale.
Big eyes. Arms there.
eyes closed.
Yeah. Exhale. There you go.
Oh yeah, do that. Cross your arms a little bit, because I bet you would like this. Like
Be
this.
no, just I feel like be pa bebe. Like
Oh, there you go.
yeah,
Yeah.
pa bebe.
Hi guys, my name is Steve. My Instagram handle is @SteveDJLA, so make sure you guys follow me. So pretty much I just came a little bit late. Came from New York. I'm a stylist, a designer, and a content creator as well. So I'm just gonna enjoy this moment and see how it goes with this photo shoot. Like as I'm saying, like I feel like it needs to get to a point where like we're not celebrating that somebody came out anymore. Like it needs to be such a normal thing and like celebrate other things, because the reason why I feel we're still doing it is because it's rare for some people still to do that. Like you don't hear it as often. It shouldn't be that. It's kind of like when you say like, you know, just a regular person. That has nothing to do or influence on anything. It doesn't affect anybody, right? So why do we always have to have that stereotype like, oh, this person, you know, this person's gay, and we kind of separate. It's like a segregation to me when we do that. I just came out with like an article for Burberry, and I didn't get permission to use my fucking photo, but the person that took it, I gave him permission, and that's all he took. And he didn't even, yeah. Like if you Google it right now, watch.
They used your photo without
Yeah.
your permission?
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, I mean,
that's
it is
good.
Forbes. That is great.
I mean, this is credit for you, right?
I
But did we give you
know that
credit?
fighting bitch. No, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm trying to. I know who the guy who took it. I know exactly who he is.
Did he work for the Forbes or like?
No, he works for Getty Images. That's his job. We're about to do a photo shoot for this brand.
I thought it was a boomerang.
We're not doing boomerang.
One eternity later.
Again, hold on. You're gonna have to catch me in the sky. I can't smile. I can't.
You're doing it.
Yeah, but. Oh, I know. I'm gonna do a work with him, right? Because the way this sun's hitting.
It's a little far. So I can English. It's a little far. Can you see me? Hi. It's a little far. But as you can see here, we see the photographer at work shooting les photos of les modèles. So if you look closely, pretty soon, the moment he gets the break, You'll be eaten alive. Eaten. Ooga,
Still find a way to like get closer to each other.
It's gonna be hard because the logo.
Yes.
Small.
Oh sure.
gonna
Okay,
be
maybe
hard.
just stay like that.
Yeah.
Okay, so
So you do it like that.
yeah, both of y'all try to make sure no wrinkles as much as possible. Oh wait. Shut up. Hold on. Yeah. Jazzy, not so much with your right hand, you're blocking this thing. Yeah, there you go. There you go, nice, nice. Yeah, both of y'all look over here. Nice, nice. Yes. Yeah, micro movements. Yeah. Kind of lean more towards them a little bit. Yeah, yes. Bring your hand up. Yeah. Yes, yeah. Yep. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Don't be afraid to look at each other. That's good. Woo! Nice. Okay, couple more. Come on, let's finish strong. Come on. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, ready?
Like a bro, like a.
I know. Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3. That's a wrap. We did it. We made it.
Made it happen.
How'd y'all feel?
It was a hot one. It was a challenge. The sun was, sun was in our eyes.
Yeah.
We were burning. I feel like I lost weight.
And then also it's you two posing together for the first time. It's like y'all met today, then y'all had to pose with each other already.
He's my posing soulmate.
But really though, thank you all so much for watching. And if you like the video, please give it a like. If you all have any tips or advice for me,
A lot of likes.
or if you all have anything you want to share, just comment down below. And also feel free to subscribe if you like what you saw. Thank you all so much, Daryl, for trusting me with helping you photograph your brand. So, why are you walking away?
Sorry.
No, but really, thank you.
Bye bye.
At Child of God Streetwear. At Jazzy Crosby.
Okay.